Hi everyone, welcome. Well, I'm going to show you all my DeWalt tools. Got the flashlight, hammer drill, skill saw, sawzall, pull chainsaw. There's the handle, articulating hedge trimmer. That's just your standard hedge trimmer, leaf blower, chainsaw, folding weed eater. These are all 20-volt lithium ion, and they all work really well. If you're looking for a video on either one of these, let me know in the comments, and I'll do a review on. I already have a few videos on some of these, like the chainsaw, the weed eater, and the hedge trimmers. Check my channel out. Check those videos out. Hey, Levi. Yeah. So yeah, I use those tools a lot, and like I say, if you have any questions or comments on them, I'll try and answer them as best I can. Do some reviews. They all work great though. DeWalt's a good make. Enjoyed the video? Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.